their second pre-board exam from 7th. Now coming up, our upcoming police officer. Yeah, she has the potential because.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Teacher like you.
Hey,
Who motivates me in
nice recommendation.
Like
Nursery, 12 years, egg janam. There is Ritika. Like he has got an amazing voice. It's
I came here in class 7. It's been 4 years.
say something. Which you people are the nation builder. Whatever the knowledge that I have passed through it, at least you can also pass through the next generation. Miss Parimita Das. Like, hello, good morning. Okay, you can see. Okay. Though they are very silent in the class. Behavior is very nice. I like your behavior. Vasak from class 10 A. This time this boy is going to appear board. And he's a very good boy. And definitely he can do great in life. Right. So that's what I'm really proud for now when he will be officer having 2-star in his shoulder, no? 2-star, 3-star, and direct, no? So then he'll come, sir, how are you? This is my new car. Please, that knowledge will be so precious for me. In campus, you need to speak English. This one more student from class 10, Mr. Swasti.
yes.
So he's offering me one biscuit out of love and excitement. Definitely, if you give anything with love, I accept, ready to accept it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And biscuit from the student. Very smart girl of class 10, and we're expecting a good result, outcome from her. And yeah, she has the potential because everyone is not equal, and she has got something different level. And all the best.
Thank you, sir.
I
Hello.
used to forget your name always.
Sivani.
Sivani. She has got a very, very strong voice. I like the voice that's like, sir, hello sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello sir, how are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
So it was nice model. So it's the second and last day. I think tomorrow is the last day for you, right?
Yes, sir.
And they are going to appear their second pre-board exam from 17 January 2026. And after 1 month, they're going to appear their matriculation exam. I'd like to wish them all the best for the exam. So that they can put effort, and their effort can really give out a meaningful result, very colorful result. Like you have been studying here from last 12 years, nursery, alright. So something about the school, this school, I've been knowing for last 7 years. Obviously, there's so many things to say. Just speak few words regarding this school.
ये स्कूल हमको कुछ दिया है कि नहीं मालूम नहीं है, पर हमको बहुत अच्छा दोस्त दिया है.
It will be very good if you speak English. Within your campus, no, we're making a blog so that at least others also get inspired, right? So students are speaking English at least in campus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on. This school has given so many things to you.
Yes, but the most important thing is I got so
Love.
much friends.
I thought love.
Teacher like you.
Hey,
Who motivates me in each and every step, sir.
Oh, thank you so much. Like it was really delightful to hear such words from the student.
Teacher like you.
Hey,
Who motivates me in each and every step, sir.
Oh, thank you so much. Like it was really delightful to hear. Like what you experience and what improvement you want to see from the school. Say something.
I really enjoyed it.
Enjoyable.
Yes,
And
like I had made a lot of new friends, and I think our school should introduce more musical like classes so that people can be engaged, and some learning new
language classes.
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Like French or German.
Oh wow, that's nice recommendation.
Because if someone wants to study in general, like they have to learn it differently.
Nicely doing, huh?
Like they have to learn it from extra sources. If they learn it from school, then they can be perfected. They will do tests and all. Then they will go there and speak so nicely.
Very good. Canada is also a very smart girl, okay? And throughout the years, she's really putting for her studies, and this time also will do. Where is Ritika? Like, I'm very scared of these spectacles now. Those who are wearing spectacles, I consider them very talented. Still, I'm scared of such a student, right? So she's also a very nice girl and regular and disciplined. This one more boy, Asutosh.
Good morning, sir.
He's also a good boy. So something
Thank
you
you, sir.
experienced from the last 10 to 12 years you have been studying in this school,
Correct.
right? So hopefully whether you will be continuing here, very good. Otherwise, you can do whatever you want.
So like I've studied in this school from class nursery to
Nursery, 12 years, egg
Yes,
janam.
sir.
Okay.
So like we have changed from the school from like this building was not there. This was full this one floor. So and this was also not there. The nursery was first there. So and sir very we have seen the development of the school. So yeah. So we've seen many things, many enjoyment. We also many friends also live before class 8.
Okay, okay, very good. So what improvement you like to see in our school? What can be done so that regarding the teachers, regarding the teaching way, the infrastructures, the what to say requirement, what facility can be added so that it will be more effective environment.
Sir, first of all, the digital teaching should be more common, sir. So, like some teachers don't use the digital screen, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Thank
Thank
you for.
Thank you.
Say something. What you experience? How's life been here?
I studied from nursery
Nursery.
till class 10, but I don't think I can study in class 11. My parents are hoping that I will study in Lakhimpur or in Guwahati. I don't know about that. But the time I spent here, the 12 years were amazing.
Amazing, memorable, right? Don't cry. Why are you crying?
No, I'm not
Don't worry. And do come. Okay? Do come. Talk to me. Wherever you see me, not only me, any other teacher, please come, confront, talk. I feel so good, you know. Yesterday I've been to Guwahati and I met some of the students. They came, they approached me. Ah, sir, bhalne apunat. It's really touched the heart. Yeah, they pops up from last 5 years back. Still they come and they're talking so openly. That really feel good, yeah. Ritika, why don't you share? I know your words are very valuable. Do you need money? Here is Nripankar, and he has got an amazing voice. He's a singer of our Bosco. Okay, Bosconian you can say. Though because he did not complete his primary education from our school, he joined here in class 11 hours, right? So obviously he will be leaving very soon. They are going to get farewells. Come, miss. We shall have nice video. Come, no problem. Come, you also come. Okay. So, here's Prakriti, and she also spent like more than 14 years in the school, starting from nursery and till 12. Now she is in class 12, will be appearing the board exam. So I like to wish every one of you all the best for the exam also, even for the future life. Okay. So I just want you to share some of the words. First, let's start with Nripankar. Okay. So like it's been 2 years now. So obviously their attachment is much more than yours. Obviously 2 years was not a small day. So what you have seen, what you have learned, what the school has given you, in what arena the improvement is required, something is lacking. So it will be very helpful for us also to make it improve. What do you say?
In these 2 years, earlier I was in Volent Academy.
Poland is all very fantastic school, and the behavior they have none. That's mesmerizing, man. They're very good behavior.
Then I came here in class 11. Now here we are living in next 1 or 2 months. And in these 2 years, we got different. Many. What to say?
Many things you experience.
Yes,
Na?
sir.
You have got new friends and
Maybe
you get
new
projection
friends,
here.
yes,
You got a new projections with so many students. Everyone got to know about you.
Yes, yes.
So definitely, if you go with his like willingness and that hobby that he has, you can really sing very well in a big platform one day. And keep it up. You have a good skill. Improve it every day. You can do it every day. And he plays very well. Guitar also, awesome, outstanding. Come, Prakriti.
My home.
Sanjeeva is my home.
Visit.
All-rounder student. We can meet Miss Parimita Das. And I know her since childhood. And the quality she has is really admirable. Okay. Come, Aranya. She is shy girl, and she also bouncing up in her life. Though I have not that good connection with him because I don't meet him. meet her childhood. I meet her childhood, and they have a certain set of friends now that are like very dangerous. Well, very dangerous, very nice, top class friend. So you have spent like nearly 12 years in school, in nursery, right? Now she's going to appear board, come closer. So I like to wish all the best for your upcoming board exam and for your life also. All the best. Just I want you to speak few words about your experience of last 10, 12 years here, right? So,
I've been in this school from 12 years. I was from the convent area, boarding school. So after that, when I came here, then our classes started, and it was like a very, I can't tell you how much I loved being here, being a student of St. Xavier's, and having such fatherly and motherly figures in the school as in form of teachers. And I consider Sir Amit as my big brother.
Arey
He's
wah.
such a nice person, such a nice teacher he was such a nice mentor, I would say.
thank you so much for the
And
appreciation.
he so much like gives his everything to the students. Like he's very kind of like a family. So yeah, the teachers are really good here. I felt really bad now because I'm leaving after 10 because some issues. So that's why I'm leaving after 10. So but it was a memorable
Journey of your
journey.
life.
Yes.
So,
Best times.
yeah, like it's considered the second home of your life.
Yes.
That's one. So I like to wish you all the best. Whatever field you will go, definitely you will do great in this. Nah? Because that zeal, that enthusiasm that you have, you are holding it in you. And she is a marvelous dancer, dancer. Okay, some of the reels I show, oh my god, it's not less than a Korean dancer, okay? Very flexible dancing, man. And there's a extra curriculum activities that we need to have. And even I learned. It's not like that. Being a teacher, I will stop learning. I learned a lot of things from a student. Even I learned a lot of things from her, right? The way she speaks and her English is so nice, so mesmerizing. Okay, and here is Arani, and she also is standing here to speak up something excitingly. So Arani, do deliver some of the important, like sweet words.
I came here in class 7. It's been 4 years here. Before that, I was in Sandipani school.
Sandipani School. Yeah. So how was the journey here? Like friends that you met, how are they able to cope up with you, or you
Yeah,
still feel
I met my friends Parimita, Raisa, Priyanka. They're so nice to me. Priyanka, she was in Sandipani also. I met her when I was in class 4.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, the teachers are nice. I'm leaving now after 10.
You're living really?
Yeah,
Oh my god. Where are you going? You thinking to go?
Itanagar.
Tanagar. She's going to the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, Tanagar. So wherever you go, wish you all the best. Our love and affection, our blessings and our wishes are always with you people. Because you people are the because you people are the future. You people are the holder of our continent. Okay. You people are the nation builder. Whatever the knowledge that I have passed through it, at least you can also pass through the next generation. Right? It's not like that if you to become a teacher, you only have to be in school. Right? Being an elder sister, being a mother, you can also be a greatest teacher. Right? Because even an ant, you know ant?
Yes.
An ant can be also considered as a very big lesson. Can teach us a very big lesson. There's nothing like that we need a specific teacher to learn life lesson. Everything can give us a lesson to us. That's all. So thank you. Carry out. Have a good day ahead.
Yes.
I like to meet some of the most. Why you are avoiding? Share something. Share something. So she's also class 10. I am. Please don't mind. I forget your name. Rishita. So many students now. Which name Rishita? Na? So all right. Wish you all the best for the exam.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So how long you have been here?
It's maybe 8 years.
8 years.
Yes.
Okay. So how's the journey here?
Nice. I will miss my friends so much. And I will miss also you.
Arey wow. What is there to miss me? Yeah?
Because you are the coolest teacher.
Arey wow.
Looking so cool and dressy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Hope I can continue this spirit in the coming days. This is what so I can devote my energy, my effort to my students. Because you people are the nation builder. You people are the future of the country. So definitely. So guidance is one of my duty that I have to do this.
You motivate us so much.
Thank you so much. Definitely I will be. Do watch my blog, videos. Come, let us meet some of the boys there. Otherwise, many students will say that, sir, only go and what to say, paper girl. Here, I want to make you meet some of the handsome and both buddies. Okay, our school. Hi, buddies. Hello, good morning. Good morning, sir. Okay, okay, you can see. Okay. Though they are very silent in the class. Okay. So just I want to make some moments for life. So how long? You sit down, We shall talk. Sit and talk. So like, how long you have been studying here?
So I studying from 10 years.
10 years. Last 10 years, it's like a decade, right? Exam. What else? You, Bobo?
Yes, it's been 8 years.
8 years. You? Very good, very good. So I want you to share some of your experience and your feelings, your best moments here.
So my best moment is study with friends and enjoy with friends and making lots of ideas, sharing each other.
Don't feel nervous. Yeah, cool, man, cool. Speak normally. Very good. He's shivering. Okay. Hey, Pandu, come here. You can see one of the naughtiest boy in our classroom.
Oh, sir.
He's handsome buddy. Come, please. Okay. So now he's getting straight. Now tell me, bro. What? Like you have been in the school from last 12 years, I think.
Yes.
Nursery.
Yes, sir.
So nursery is like 2 years here. Where we are studying. Just I want you to share something of your experience and your feelings and your happiest moment, good moment.
So my best experience will be my friendship, my friend circle. They support me a lot, and we jokes about each other, and they don't
Even the
seem
jokes
to-
about teacher also, okay?
Yes, sir.
They make fun and joke with teacher also.
Yeah.
Achha, by the way, what joke you make behind us? Means behind me. I want to hear. I'm not like revealing the other teachers. I want to know about me. What jokes you make? I feel so privileged and so happy to work here from last 7 years I've been working. I joined in the year of 2018. It's like 2026, like 7, 8 years old. So I really love this school, especially the student. Actually, teaching is one of my hobby, you know. And I love student. I like teaching to guide someone. At least if I can turn someone's life, it will be very like privilege and kind of a success for me. So this is I would like to show some of the portion of our school. I'd like to have a blog on my school. Hi, hero. Very handsome. Until we cut you here.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Yeah, here. Where are you from? Like Arunachal Pradesh?
My hometown is in Mexico.
Mechuka.
Yeah.
Ore wow. I wanted to visit that place.
Yeah.
Okay, do share your number when I will go and I will meet you there.
Yeah, okay, sir. We'll go again.
Okay.
Great.
Okay. And he's like very honest and so
Very
very
good.
nice. I like your behavior.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
All right. Fine. All the best for your exam.
Yeah, thank you, sir.